All right, so today we're here with my buddy Ben, and he's got this LS 6.0 and the, is it the cam cover?
Yeah, the cam retainer plate.
The cam retainer plate. The bolts are normally a Torx, it looks like. Yeah, there's a good one. And they've stripped out, so what we're gonna do is take one of these nuts and weld it on there, and then we'll remove them with a socket. So let's give it a shot.
Got a little fire by your hand. I forgot we have to access the bottom to do the cam bearings.
There's one down. I'm hurting on gloves right now. Like leather gloves? Oh. I'm not hurting on those gloves. I don't know why this helmet isn't auto darkening right now. It's annoying.
Just tell me.
Go ahead. This one should be good. Yeah.
So basically what that plate does is it connects the two lifter oil galleys just from one side to the other.
Okay.
It feeds from the driver's side.
And there it is. That's how you get stripped out heads on bolts. That's how you get the bolt removed. That's one way anyway. Easy outs too, but this is a lot easier if you have a welder and access. But yeah, just a quick little demonstration. But hit the subscribe button and start following the channel.